Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna show you guys how to clean the white letters on your tire really nice. All you need is a sander, 80 grit sandpaper. This also works on a white wall. If you got a white wall or any tire with white letters, this should work just fine as well. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like up close, dirty. Before I start, they're 15 by 10s off my C10, and then the fronts are 15 by 8s. See how dirty they are? They're gonna definitely pop out. This is what it looks like after one is completed. As you could see, nice and white letters. Compared to these three that I haven't done yet, they're really dirty, as you can see. Look how much cleaner they look. I still haven't wiped them down or cleaned them, but just look at them. I went over them twice. I used 280 grit pads. I'll show you guys in a sec how they look after. See, that's before I even clean them, so I mean they look way better than what they looked before. I mean, they kind of look perfect, if you tell me. See, that's the first pad, that's the second pad. So I wiped them down with the rag, just all the white stuff that was laying around. Now I'm gonna put this tire foam on them, shine them up. Let it sit for like 30 seconds. Then I wipe them down. And that is the final product. Check it out. The results, I love them. Look how white they look compared to how they were. They're ready for a car show.